Hi everyone, welcome to Zipmex. My name is Nicholas and today I'm going to share with you guys how to use the exchange platform. Let me start with the top left. BTC THB. So over here you can see the pairings that Zipmex Thailand currently offers. You can select any one of them to trade on. Let's choose Bitcoin THB. So over here you can see the chart tied to Bitcoin THB, right? And these are the indicators and tools that you can use to plot on the chart. But today I'm not going deep dive into indicators and trend lines. Today I'm gonna just show you guys how to use the exchange platform. Let me go back to the top. So last price. This is the last traded price of Bitcoin. As you can see over here as well. Over to the right is the 24 hours percentage change of Bitcoin price. It's negative 0.64%. As for bid and ask, you can see over here is the same, right? So bid price is the buyer is willing to buy Bitcoin at this price, the best price, and this is the best price that the seller is willing to sell at. Right, 24 hours volume. This is the amount of BTC traded within 24 hours, 42.44 Bitcoin. And this is the 24-hour low and 24-hour high Bitcoin prices. Let's move on to the right to the order books and the recent trades. So over here, the order book, you can see there's price, amount, and volume. So this is the price of Bitcoin in Thai baht, and this is the amount of Bitcoin, and this is the volume in Thai baht. So how do you see this order book? So this guy, this seller would like to sell Bitcoin at this price for this amount of Bitcoin, and this is the amount of Thai baht that he's gonna get if he sell it, right? So let me explain again. This is the price that the buyer wants to buy at 0.2734 Bitcoin. So the total amount is 92,000 baht. Yes. So once you do a successful trade, it will appear on the recent trades table, right? The price that you buy at or sell at, and the amount, and of course the timing. So let's move on to market and limit order. So let me start with market order first. So market order, you can't put a price because you will get the best price of the market. So let me see. Okay, I have 0.0051 Bitcoin. I want to do a market sell. I do 100%, which is 0.0051. So this is the amount of Thai baht that I'm gonna get, 1,725, and I do a market sell. And it's execute immediately. You can go over to the field orders tab and see your execute order. So you sold Bitcoin 0.004 plus 0.0011 is equivalent to 0.0051. And this is the amount of Thai baht that you get. Okay, so let me do a market buy right now. So you'll be buying at the best market price, 100% of 1,700 baht. Buy. Okay, so my order is execute immediately, and I got 0.0051 Bitcoin. So this is what market order do. Let's move on to limit order. So limit order is a bit special. You can input the price that you wish to buy or sell at. Let's say, let me put the price that I wish to sell at. I wish to sell at 3340123. Sell. So over here you can see the yellow arrow. That's my order. I wish to sell at 340,000, 0.0051 amount of Bitcoin, and this is the amount of Thai baht that I will get if my order is filled. My order is currently not filled. Is at the open order tab, as you can see over here, right? You can cancel it and the Bitcoin will go back to your wallet. See, it went back to your available balance. Let me do a limit buy. Let me sell my Bitcoin first. Okay. Let me do a limit buy. So I wish to buy Bitcoin at a lower price. Okay, so I place an buy limit order at 337,000 0.0051 Bitcoin using 1,718 baht. As you can see over here, the open order tab, my order is still open and it's not filled yet. Right, once it filled, it's gonna move to the fill order tab. Yes. Let me cancel it right now. So that's about it for today's exchange platform sharing. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.